Alright, so now I'm going to show you guys how you can change the music. So say you try to upload this video and then it gets hit with a copyright ID still, right? Which is not a strike, it's just a copyright ID letting you know that if you did make money on this, it wouldn't go to you, right? But you want to get rid of that. So try to upload it the way it is. You know, using your intro and your watermark, and if that doesn't work and it hits you that, then delete the video again and then take it back into the editor. And then next thing you're going to want to do is, so a lot of highlight videos will have music. This one in particular that we're working with does not have music, but pretend that it had music. Or you can also pretend that you know, maybe the commentary
in the lineup,
pretend that commentary is hitting the content ID match, okay? So what you want to do if you want to get rid of that, here's one way you can do it. So if you right click here and click unlink, now the video and the audio is unlinked from each other. So then you can go to audio here and you can remove the audio. So now all you have is the video. Okay, so this will work better because obviously this video is kind of boring without the sound on it. And I don't think most of the time the sound will hit the content filter ID. If it does, I'll show you in the next video how you can get rid of the sound content match without actually getting rid of the sound, and that's pretty cool, but we'll do that in the next video here. But say this had music on it and it was you know, copyrighted music, and that is hitting the filter, then what you'd want to do is go into this site, and I'll put this in the text link, and it's called shutterstock.com, and you can just find a bunch of royalty-free music that you can freely use that doesn't have any copyright licenses on it. So you can go into like hip-hop here. So you can pick one of these hip-hop ones if it's... Why is it not loading? There we go. Okay. So let's go back to hip-hop here. Sorry, computer's going a little slow. Hip-hop. Okay, so... Like, see that? So you can you're allowed to use this, and I think that would sound pretty good with what we got. So all you gotta do is click download here, and you gotta create an account, I guess, real quick here. Alright, so there we go. Click continue. Alright, now we want to download this one. So all you do is click downloads, and it'll be stars.mp3. And that's downloading. It's going to take about 30 seconds here. But this is a good way to, you know, if there's music that's copyrighted, it's really easy to take out the audio and then just replace it with your own music that doesn't have copyright, and that's going to be a really easy way to do. So with some of these, you know, in order to be able to use them, first of all, you know, I've already showed you guys if there was an intro or watermark before, you cross them off your list, right? Well, now you don't have to because you know how to make your own intro, take their intro out, you know how to put a watermark over their watermark and get rid of their watermark. But now if there's music that's copyrighted, sometimes you wouldn't be able to use that video either. So now I'm showing you how to take that music out and put royalty-free music in, so that way you can still use the video. But guys, this is only going to take a few seconds. Like, I know it sounds like a lot of work, but once you learn how to do it, it only takes a second to import your intro. It only takes a second to import your watermark because you've already made both of those, right? You've already made the intro, already made the watermark. Now you just go to this site. Once you make the account, you just download anything that sounds good and then unsplit, take the audio out, and then we'll go ahead and drop this one in. So we'll go back here, and then we'll go back into import here and download stars.mp3. Alright, and then we can put that in the audio right here. And we're probably going to have to put it in multiple times because it's going to stop here. So we'll just, it's going to be the same song over and over. And of course, you could do different songs along the way, which I probably would recommend. And then you can shorten that last one to make it match the end there. So that's all you would do for that. And so now if you rewatch this, this is what we got.
music.
See, so now we got our own watermark, we have our own intro, and now we have our own music that's royalty free. That, for sure, is going to get rid of that content ID match. All right, so really cool way to do that, and of course you could put 3 different songs in there and change it up the way you like, but really easy way to get that done. So then say that you wanted to keep the commentary in there that was originally in there, or if you were doing like a lot of people upload like old Rocket Power, old Hey Arnold TV shows, some of those old TV shows, but obviously if you upload it, it will hit the copyright. And so I'm going to show you guys how to get rid of it if it's the sound that's the problem, but you can't get rid of the sound. So like you wouldn't want to put music over like a Rocket Power episode because you can't hear what they're saying, obviously. Or like with this video that we had, the commentary made it really exciting. So if that's what's hitting the content ID match, we're going to want to fix that. But we're going to want to do it in a way that doesn't actually take away from the video to where you can't hear what they're saying. So in the next video, we're going to show you how to do that as well.